All right, guys, I'm in Hvar Town. This is the big city on Hvar Island. And if you look around, it's very nice. And the hotels can be maybe out of your price range, a little luxurious, at least for me. So that's why I like to do local stays. And so check this out. Here's where I'm staying. And then, voila. My apartment is right here. Check it out. So there we go. That's my place. Pretty cool, huh? For a fraction of the price of a luxury hotel. That's all I need. I was barely here. Comfortable place to sleep, place to work, good to go.